is I have completed the outdoor nature feeding, which is the squirrels and the birds. The deer are not here today. Cats are done. All nice and clean. I threw some of that. The birds regret that. Cats are done. I think there's 2 cats. There's a tuxedo and a tiger. They're kind of almost, they've got a lot there. Fix the bird feeder. Right there. They unscrewed it. Put fresh water. 2 feeders. Checking everybody out. Hi. Hi. She's looking around. Hello. There's a lot of action going on right now. We've got some neighbors visiting right there. Visiting. Looking for a breakfast nut. We've still got some nuts down here. Birds are flying in and out here. There we go. And listen to the birds, aren't they beautiful? It's breakfast time. That's what we're looking at right now. Breakfast time. Some of the neighbors are coming. We do have hawks. I always worry about that. But this is a tough ground. These guys are tough. Look at them. That's sweet. Isn't that sweet? Oh my. He's like, do I dare? I threw some in the grass. With the tail, it's beautiful. Hi. Hi. You're kind of used to me. These 2 are just hanging around. We don't want squirrel fights. That happens. And we're going to go out. We're going to leave them, let them have their summer feeding, their morning feeding. Hi. A lot of action over here. This is morning feeding with nature. A little bit of nuts. Actually, a lot of bitter nuts. But they love it. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Stay safe. And Mom Mode, thanks everybody that subscribes, likes, shares, comments. I really appreciate it. I would love to do lives one day. Take care and have a great day. And here. Last fear right here. It's beautiful. Just listen. You don't even have to. Their songs are incredible.